Have you ever wondered how people are making serious money online without showing their face, investing in expensive tools, or even having special skills? The truth is, most of the big money-making ideas you hear about, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, investing, require either capital, risk, or months of learning. But there's one trick that barely anyone talks about, even though it's making thousands of dollars for people every single day. And it's surprisingly simple. It's called selling AI-generated YouTube scripts for faceless channels. This strategy is low-risk, high-reward, and perfect for beginners. In fact, it's so easy to get started that you could make your first $100 this week, even if you've never made a dime online before. So in this video, we're going to walk through exactly what this trick is, how it works, and most importantly, how you can start using it right now. We'll count down from 10 to 1, and by the time we get to number 1, you'll have a step-by-step system to follow that could change your financial life. The trick is selling AI-generated YouTube scripts for faceless channels. Let's break it down. Faceless YouTube channels are channels that don't show a host or speaker on camera. Instead, they use voiceovers, stock footage, and sometimes animation. These channels are exploding in popularity because they're easy to scale, simple to outsource, and can be highly profitable. The biggest challenge for most of these channels is writing engaging, original scripts every single day. That's where you come in. With the help of AI tools like ChatGPT, you can now generate full YouTube scripts in minutes. These scripts can be formatted, polished, and sold to creators who desperately need content. It's a simple equation. High demand plus low supply equals big opportunity. 9. You don't need to be a writer or even be on camera. This is what makes the method so accessible. You don't need to write from scratch. You don't need a YouTube channel. You don't even need to talk to a camera or record voiceovers. You are simply acting as the content provider behind the scenes. You generate the scripts, and YouTube creators, many of whom are running large, automated channels, take care of the rest. Your job is to understand what kind of scripts are needed, format them correctly, and make sure they read smoothly. That's it. Most of the process is handled with AI prompts and a little editing. It's clean, simple, and surprisingly profitable. 8. There's more demand than you think. You'd be surprised how many creators are posting new videos every day and looking for fresh scripts. In niches like finance, motivation, tech, health, and current news, there's an endless hunger for content. Some channels need 3 to 5 scripts a week, and they're willing to pay $30 to $100 per script, depending on quality and word count. That adds up fast. Imagine you have just 3 regular clients, each ordering 2 scripts a week at $50 per script. That's $300 a week, $1,200 a month, from just a few hours of work using AI. Now think about scaling that up to 10 clients or offering higher-priced packages with thumbnails and SEO keywords. Suddenly, you're looking at $4,000 to $6,000 per month, and you haven't spent a dime on ads, inventory, or fancy tools. 7. These are the best niches to target. To really make this work, you need to write for niches that are proven to perform well on YouTube. Some of the most popular and profitable niches for faceless channels include make money online, personal finance and investing, AI and tech news, motivation and self-improvement, true crime, health and wellness. Why do these niches work so well? Because they attract massive audiences, advertisers love them, and viewers tend to binge watch this type of content. That means more monetization for the creators and more money in your pocket as a script provider. Pick 1 or 2 niches to start with, study their tone, pacing, and format, and focus your offers around them. 6. Prompting is the key to quality scripts. Here's what separates average earners from high earners in this business: the ability to prompt AI tools effectively. If you just type, "Write a YouTube script about motivation" into ChatGPT, You'll get something bland and robotic, but if you guide the tool with structure, tone, and details, you'll get gold. For example, try something like this. Write a 700-word YouTube script for a faceless channel. The topic is how successful people start their day. Use a storytelling tone, short paragraphs, and emotional language. Include a powerful hook, 3 core lessons, and a call to action at the end. 5. You can start selling with zero upfront cost. Now you're probably thinking, where do I actually sell these scripts? Good news, you can start with free platforms. Here are 3 of the best. Fiverr. Create a gig like, I will write engaging YouTube scripts for your faceless channel. Upwork. Apply for jobs using custom samples tailored to each client's niche. Reddit and Facebook groups. Look for groups related to YouTube automation and pitch your services directly. 4. How to package your offer for maximum value. It's not just about writing a script. It's about selling the outcome. When you pitch your services, don't say, I'll write 500 words. Instead, say something like, I help YouTube creators grow faster by delivering scripts designed to boost watch time and audience retention. Each script follows a proven storytelling format and is optimized for your niche. 3. Avoid these mistakes that kill your chances. There are a few common mistakes that can ruin your chances of getting repeat clients. First, don't over-rely on AI. If your scripts feel robotic, clients will know. Always personalize and polish your work. Second, never deliver a script without a clear hook. If the first 10 seconds don't capture attention, the rest won't matter. 2. Scaling to $200 a day is more doable than you think. Once you've got a few clients and a system in place, scaling becomes a matter of time management. Use templates to speed up your process. Create a library of proven hooks, transitions, and CTAs. Batch your writing time. Outsource editing if needed. And always be marketing. Send DMS. Post content, ask for referrals, and offer monthly packages. 1. Your action plan for today. Let's make this real. Here's your step-by-step action plan to get started. Choose one niche, like motivation or AI news. Use the prompt strategy we talked about to create your first script. Set up a Fiverr or Upwork profile with a clean, professional description. Create a gig offering your script writing services. If you stay consistent for just 30 days, you could easily be making $100 to $200 a day, just from writing AI-enhanced scripts that take less than an hour to create. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe, and drop your questions below. I personally reply to every comment, and if you're ready to master storytelling even more, check out the next video.